guys, this is your third visit, right?
Yes, it's
And
my
your
third.
mom's second visit. So I haven't adjusted it yet. You got 2 adjustments, right? And your mom only got 1 adjustment.
Yes.
Okay. So after 2 adjustments, what were your original complaints? What did you come here? What were
Well, originally, I started having a lower back pain on my right side, leaded all the way to my knee.
shooting
I-
pain?
Yes, I didn't know where it come from. It just started. I think I was traveling a lot, so probably carried a bag of luggage, and then I looked up, your office on Yelp. Saw a lot of good reviews, and that made me want to come here.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great. So this is your second visit. How much percentage of improvement do you have so far?
It's all gone.
It's all
Well,
gone?
actually, I seen the improvement on my first treatment already. That's why I got her.
How much improvement was after the first session?
85.
85%?
Yeah.
And how long have you had this lower back pain for?
It was going on for about 2 to 3 months.
Okay, wow, and it's getting
Yeah.
worse?
I was getting massages, going to local massage therapists. It didn't
No,
really work.
nothing. Did you try any pain medications? Or?
I did. I went to the doctor and they prescribed me with anti-inflammation.
Nothing.
Nothing
Which
worked.
doctor? Kaiser Hospital or something?
No, it was my personal
Primary care physician?
primary care provider.
Okay.
And they just they're like, you probably pinched a nerve, so you just need to take that pill, but it didn't work.
Why did you decide to do the chiropractic? Why couldn't you just try something else?
Well, I spoke to my friends, I told them that I've been having this issue and that the medicine just doesn't seem to work because I felt like something was wrong.
Yeah, physically.
Yes, physically, because I
Yeah.
never had this before, and that's when I'm like, yes, I might need to just go.
Okay.
And I'm gonna be doing nursing, so I need my back.
Yeah, you do.
Yes.
You're lifting, some heavy lifting, patience.
Yes. So I
Okay.
figured I'd come here, and then
Okay.
I don't regret. I'm just happy.
That's good. So
Yeah.
after first visit, you got excited, and then you
Very
said,
excited.
and then you brought your mom in, right? And
Yes.
what was the problem? What your mom had?
Well, she had the same problem.
Mm.
I think she
My long time.
long time, yeah. So she used to stand for long hours and work, and then therefore it was on her this
This
side,
side.
yeah, on the left side
Yeah.
Okay.
until the.
So you can say it in your own language, your problem. So we have a lot of international audience, so you can say it in your language. What was the problem and how so far you feel it? So go ahead.
ਦੱਸੀ ਵੀ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਟ੍ਰੀਟਮੈਂਟ 'ਚ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਫਰਕ ਲੱਗਿਆ?
पंजाबी से
ਹਾਂ
Yeah.
आई
पंजाबी च
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਠੀਕ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਨਾਲੋਂ 85% ਲੌਂਗ ਟਾਈਮ ਇਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੀਗੀ
Mm-hmm.
ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਦਵਾਈ ਖਾਦੀ ਪਰ ਕੋਈ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਿਆ ਹੈ
That didn't fix anything.
ਸੋ ਆਈ ਕਮ ਹੇਅਰ ਆਈ ਫੀਲ ਬੈਟਰ
Okay.
ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ
What's your percentage of improvement after the first visit?
for me 80 85
That's
I
pretty
feel
good.
better like my pain on
Yeah, it's like she always had her hand like this.
Uh-huh.
No matter where she goes, she's like this. I'm like,
Yeah,
wow,
rubbing-
in
rubbing
the
it.
public, don't do that. And now
Okay.
she's good.
Okay, and then so. Okay, so at this point in time, what I'm gonna do, I already look at the charts. I'm gonna adjust both of you. We already did an exam, so we just do an adjustment and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead, have a seat. I'm gonna adjust your mom first. Put your hands on your over here. Yeah. So just a little bit here. Okay, good. Okay, go on your stomach, face down, please.
and did it
हाँ नहीं
On your stomach.
on your stomach. Dead tip.
oh, sorry
It's okay. No worries. Okay. Put your hands down. Take a deep breath in. Out. Out. Breath in. Out. Okay, breath in. Out. Okay. Go on your side, face me. This leg straight. And relax your shoulder. Good. Now let's do your lumbar spine. That was your pelvis. I'm gonna adjust your arm spine.
The other two guys.
Okay, keep this leg straight. Okay, relax. Relax your shoulder, relax. That was good, big one.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Sit down.
इनका मैं तो हमारे लगता है feeling
She said she doesn't feel any pain at all anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, after the
I-
first time it was, usually
Yeah.
the first time it hurts because everything is stiff.
Yeah.
But now since we
Yeah.
Oh.
put everything back in place the first time,
Because
the
I suffer
inflammation,
long years.
Yeah.
inflammation has
Thank-
gone down, so
Yeah.
the pain is not as intense or gone.
My turn?
Yes,
मेरी
your
माँ
turn.
कहती
Let's
रब तेरा
adjust
भला
you.
करे, हैं? इनका मेरी माँ कहती रब तेरा भला करे।
Oh, she said, God bless you.
Thank you. Okay. Relax.
Oh.
Okay.
Did it relax?
Yeah, it's a little bit tense on the right side. Okay.
लंबा
Then lie on your stomach, face down, please.
देख लो।
Put your hands down to the floor. Take a deep breath in, out, out. Breath in, out. Okay, breath in, out. Okay. Go on your side, please. Face me. Let's adjust your pelvis. Okay. Give your hand. Okay. Relax your shoulder. Okay. Sit up. Yeah, facing me. Relax. There we go. Okay, so now you guys are gonna go see Gail so
Yes.
she can massage you and more the rest of the spine.
Okay.
Okay, happy?
You're very happy.
Okay, good.